Good morning everyone, this is Abhishek, your English trainer and founder of Spontaneous English Academy. मैं खाना खा सकता हूँ, मैं यह किताब पढ़ सकता हूँ, मैं स्कूल जा सकता हूँ, गीता गाना गा सकती है. If you are confused in these kinds of sentences, then this video is going to be very informative for you. So keep watching, let's get started. Can shows ability, can shows your ability. If you have the ability to do something, to perform any action or activity, it means you are going to use their can. For example, मैं गाना गा सकता हूँ. I can sing a song. मैं गाना नहीं गा सकता हूँ. I cannot sing a song. Can you sing a song? क्या तुम गाना गा सकते हो? Can you sing a song? Alright, in this sentence, can is showing ability. Sometimes we also use it to ask permission. Can I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? Can I come in? तुम अंदर आ सकते हो. You can come in. Alright? So can shows ability. Sometimes in interrogative sense we use it to ask permissions. Alright, now talk about could. Could, very simple, it is the past form of can. It is the past form of can. When you are saying like that, मैं गाना गा सकता था, I could sing a song. मैं यह काम कर सकता था, I could do that work. But suddenly I was not able to do so. Alright, मैं वहाँ जा सकता था, I could go there, but I did not go. Reason may be so many. Alright, तो जब भी आप पास्ट में एबिलिटी को शो करते हैं तो वहाँ पर कुड का यूज़ करते हैं. प्रेजेंट में एबिलिटी को शो करना चाहते हैं, कैन का यूज़ वहाँ पर करना है. ऑलराइट, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. इट्स नॉट ए बिग मैटर, इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. कुड इज़ आल्सो यूज फॉर पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट. if you are asking, if you are requesting someone to use their products, for example, could I use your pen? Could I sit here? Could I go with you? It means you are asking, but your request is very very polite comparatively if you are using can. Alright, तो इतना सा फ़र्क है, कोई ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है. could का यूज़ दो तरीके से किया जाता है, can के पास्ट इक्विवेलेंट के रूप में, और प्रेजेंट में जब हम इसका यूज़ करते हैं तो इट मीन्स कि हम एक पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. ऑलराइट, so in this video, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it with your friends. Bye bye, take care.